Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a very resourceful and a very credible classified posting site known as Letgo. Now, in the recent videos, we talked about Craigslist, we explored Patch.com, and both of them had their own advantages. But we're here on Letgo and we're going to see how it works out, what are the limitations, and what kind of categories does it offer. So we're here on the homepage of Letgo. And a huge disadvantage of Letgo is that you cannot post a classified ad from the desktop version of the website. You would have to download a mobile app of Letgo in order to publish your ad. And that is a very huge limitation for all of the users out there who would not want to download a mobile app and have their ad published right from their desktop. So that is limitation number one. But apart from that, we have a lot of categories here. We have electronics, we have sports, leisures and games, cars, motorcycles and other vehicles, home and garden, fashion and accessories, baby and child, housing, jobs and services, movies, books and music, other, and free stuff. So free stuff is also something unique. Free stuff is also a category that we have not seen in the previous videos regarding Craigslist or Patch.com. So this is something really good. Patch.com had a very diverse set of categories, few but diverse, that you could fit a lot of things into the categories. But on Letgo, we have very specific and a large number of categories in order to advertise your brand across the platform. So we're just going to click on the category free stuff to see how it works out. So another useful feature that Letgo offers you when you're just searching for certain products or services, if you're not publishing your ad, it is a very useful site for looking for certain kind of services. So you can click on the filters to customize your search. You can decide the price, the minimum price, the maximum price that you would want to look in your product, the search area, the distance, the sort of the relevance, date, price, low to high, price, high to low, and post it within. And then you can customize the search for a certain product that you're looking for and click on save filters. And you can also reset it in order to look for certain services in your area. So this is extremely useful. In the videos about Craigslist and Patch.com, both of them did not have the facility of filters. But here on Letgo, we have this feature of filters, which allows us to customize our search and find the product or service as closest to our liking. So this is extremely useful. This is extremely beneficial. And this is how the products or the services or our ad is going to look like. So we're going to click on one of them to see how it works. Okay, so we can also share the ad from here. Now in Craigslist and Patch.com, both we did not see the option for share, but here we have the option for share. You can also save it for later if you want to review the ad. You can also share it, and if you click on these, you can also report if you find this to be a fake ad. And then you can chat with the seller right here. Once you would have to log in, you can chat with them right here. And you can also see the views and the likes for the products or the services that you published the ad for. So that is extremely useful. Patch.com or Craigslist, both were not very detailed about how many views your ad has gotten, and you can share it or not, and whether you can chat with the advertiser or not. Here on Letgo, this is specifically designed for you to not only publish your ad, but also communicate with the people who are putting out their own products and services in your area. So this is extremely useful. You would not have to switch to another medium in order to communicate with them. You can use Letgo right here for that purpose. And that is extremely useful. So you can search for different kind of products or anything that you want looking for. You can come on letgo.com and you can look for them. And well, if you have to advertise your own products and services, you would have to download the mobile app in order to publish the ad. That is the only limitation, but so far I've seen how it works, and it seems very, very convenient so far. So you can use this site to publish your ad. This is available for both Android and Apple, so you can use this. You can use the mobile app for letgo.com to publicize your brand.